Hello guys, this is Angie living here in Singapore and kumusta kayo guys? How are you? Kahit saan kayo dito sa panig ng mundo? Yes, I'm here again and to share you my food vlog again. I'm making a beef pie and the base my pie is a bolognese, beef bolognese, and if you wanna try or want to make bolognese, I just write down the link below my description box because I separated the video of that bolognese video. So today making beef pie, guys. So let's get started. This is other ingredients for pie. I'm making beef pie, guys, and this is a bacon. After frying, you just take a plate and put a kitchen napkin on the plate and let drain the crispy bacon and then cut into small pieces. After that, then can garnish on top of the pie. So I'm doing pie, then all the steps I show you guys in this video. Ito ang first step, guys. Fill out with a sauce, bolognese sauce. Then first layer, this one, bolognese sauce, and then the next layer we put the potato, mashed potatoes. This is the next step. Second layer is the mashed potato. I'm making a beef pie, guys. Then after this one, we have the toppings, bacon. After the mashed potato layer, we have this one, the crunchy bacon. I cut into dice and I fry and drain the oil. So I just use my hands to put toppings. Anyway, my hands is clean. There you go, guys. After that one toppings, the next layer, the cheese. So this is my cheese. Is a mix, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. So I use my hands again to peel out this one on top. This is the last layer, guys. The cheese. This is now my beef pie, guys. Look like this. So let's dig in. Wow. There you go, guys. Wow. There you go, guys. Okay. Nice. So flavorful. So there you go, guys. So let's dip in. Wow, you see the cheese. Nice. Yummy. Mabango ang amoy. Sarap, guys. So flavorful, so tasty, crunchy, the toppings, the cheese. Then, yeah, I just write down the description box, the recipe, how to make a beef pie, guys. And hope you like this video, and thank you so much for your support. Really comes from my heart, thanking you guys. And yes, I end here, and next time I share you another food vlog. See you soon. Bye.